So finally the wait is over and the OneUi 8.5 update for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally out. Yes, you heard it right. The OneUi 8.5 update is now finally rolling out in the South Korea. It is now rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 7, including the Galaxy S25 series, including the FE as well. So if you're someone who is watching from South Korea, so simply go into the settings of your device, tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new OneUi 8.5 update. So after 10 beta versions, finally the stable update is rolling out. And if you ask about the global expansion, so you can get to see this update on your device around May 11 to 13. And for the older models, it is expected to be released in the mid of May, like the Galaxy S24 series. So in short, the first official update for the Galaxy S25 series is now available, and now it will be released for the older flagship models and the mid-range series and the other tab series as well. The best part is that the official update is finally out for a device. And if we talk about the OneUi 8.5 update itself, so yes, it is one of the smoothest update I have ever experienced on a Samsung phone. I have been using this update on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for a month almost now, and the UI changes and the smoothness is on next level. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this good news that the official update is finally rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you are someone who is watching this video from South Korea, let us know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.